Pumanaw na ang social media personality na si Emmanuel Atienza, anak ng TV host na si Kim Atienza, sa edad na 19. Sa joint Instagram post kasama ang asawa na si Felicia at mga anak na sina Jose at Eli Ana ngayong Biyernes ika-24 ng Oktubre, inihayag ni Kuya Kim Atienza ang biglaang pagpanaw ng kanilang anak na si Eman Atienza. Anila, "She brought so much joy, laughter, and love into our lives and into the lives of everyone who knew her." Dagdag pa ng pamilya, Eman had a way of making people feel seen and heard, and she wasn't afraid to share her own journey with mental health. Her authenticity helped so many feel less alone. To honor Eman's memory, we hope you carry forward the qualities she lived by: compassion, courage, and a little extra kindness in your everyday life. Samantala, hindi sinabi ang dahilan ng pagpanaw nito.